Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome back to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency. I'm Reg, and today we are diving into the basics of Japanese writing. Specifically, we'll be learning about hiragana, one of the fundamental building blocks of the Japanese language. If you are interested in learning Japanese, this is the perfect place to start. Let's get started. Hiragana is one of the three scripts used in Japanese writing, alongside katakana and kanji. It consists of 46 basic characters, each representing a distinct syllable. Unlike English, where we use a combination of letters to form sounds, each hiragana character corresponds to a specific sound. Let's take a look at a few examples. In the first row, a, I, u, e, o. These are the vowels in hiragana, and they form the foundation of the script. Hiragana is primarily used for native Japanese words and grammatical functions. For instance, the word arigato, which means thank you, is written entirely in hiragana. In a typical Japanese sentence, you'll often see a mix of hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Hiragana is used for particles, verb endings, and words that don't have a kanji representation. So here are the 46 basic hiragana characters. A, A, I, I, U, U, E, E, O, O, Ka, Ka, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Ke, Ke, Ko, Ko, Sa, Sa, Shi, Shi, Su, Su, Se, Se, So, So, Ta, Ta, Ti, Ti, Tsu, Tsu, Te, Te, To, To, Na, Na, Ni, Ni, Nu, Nu, Ne, Ne, No, No, Ha, Ha, He, Fu, Fu, He, He, Ho, Ho, Ma, Ma, Mi, Mi, Mu, Mu, Me, Me, Mo, Mo, Ya, Ya, You, Yo, Yo, Ra, Ra, Ri, Ri, Ru, Ru, Re, Re, Ro, Ro, Wa, Wa, Wo, Wo, En, En. So those are the 46 basic characters of hiragana. Additionally, there are diacritics known as dakoten and handakoten that modify some of these characters to represent additional sounds. Dakoten adds a voiced sound. Ga, ga, gi, gi, gu, gu, ge, ge, go, go, za, za, ji, ji, zu, zu, ze, ze, zo, zo, da, da, ji, ji, zu, zu, de, de, do, do, ba, ba, bi, bi, bu, bu, be, be, bo, bo. Handakoten adds a P sound. Pa, pa, pi, pi, pu, pu, pe, pe, po, po. Again, these are the 46 basic characters of hiragana. A, I, U, E, O. Kaki, ku, ke, ko. Sashi, su, se, so. Tachi, tsu, te, to. Nani, nu, ne, no. Ha, hi, fu, he, ho. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ya, yu, yo. Rari, ru, re, ro. Wa, wu, n. So that's a brief introduction to hiragana. In our next video, we'll go over each character in more detail and practice some basic words and phrases. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our language learning tips. Mata ne! Arigato gozaimasu!